We're going to explain how to traverse data in Excel, meaning how to move through your data systematically to extract information or perform calculations. There are several ways to achieve this, depending on your needs and Excel's features. 1. Using loops with VBA, Visual Basic for applications. This is the most powerful method for complex data manipulation. VBA allows you to write code that iterates through rows and columns, accessing individual cell values. For example, you could use a for loop to go through each row of a table and sum the values in a specific column. Or, you could use nested loops to traverse a whole range of cells, performing actions based on the cell's contents. This provides ultimate flexibility, but requires some programming knowledge. An example in VBA might look something like this, though this wouldn't be shown visually in the video, just explained conceptually. For each cell in range, A1, B10. If cell value 10, then cell. Interior, color equal VB yellow. End, if next cell. This code would highlight cells with values greater than 10 in the range A1 to B10. 2. Using Excel formulas. For simpler tasks, Excel's built-in functions are sufficient. You can use functions like sum, average, countif, lookup, and index to traverse data implicitly. For example, sum A1, A10 adds the numbers in cells A1 through A10. Lookup searches for a value in a table and returns a corresponding value from another column, essentially traversing the table to find a match. These functions don't explicitly loop through each cell like VBA does, but they effectively traverse the data to perform calculations. 3. Using Excel's filtering and sorting features. This is a visual way to traverse data. You can filter a table to show only rows that meet specific criteria, effectively traversing the data and isolating the rows you're interested in. Similarly, sorting a table rearranges the rows according to a selected column, allowing you to process data in a specific order. This provides a user-friendly way to select subsets of your data for analysis without writing any code. 4. Using pivot tables. Pivot tables are exceptionally useful for summarizing and analyzing large datasets. While you aren't explicitly traversing each cell, pivot tables essentially aggregate and categorize your data based on your specifications. You can choose which fields to include, how to group data, and which calculations to perform, and the pivot table will automatically traverse your underlying data to generate the summarized results. This is a visual and interactive way to explore trends and patterns in your data. 5. Using Power Query, get and transform data. Power Query allows you to import, clean, and transform data from various sources, including Excel spreadsheets. While not directly traversing in the same way as VBA loops, you can use Power Query's features to filter, sort, and reshape your data, effectively selecting and manipulating subsets of your data. This offers a powerful method for preparing data before further analysis or reporting. These 5 methods offer diverse approaches to data traversal in Excel, each suited for different levels of complexity and technical expertise. Choosing the right method depends entirely on your task and comfort level with Excel and VBA. Remember to tailor your approach to the specifics of your data and the insights you hope to gain.